Hello, I'm Rimri. Welcome to the Software Architecture Learning Journal by Kotlin series. In this series, I'll be sharing my journey of learning software architecture using Kotlin. Layered architecture is a structure that combines different layers within an application, each playing a specific role. It has become the de facto standard for most applications due to its simplicity, familiarity, and low cost. There are no restrictions on the number or types of layers. Each layer is divided in open and closed layers. Open layers can be accessed from any other layer, while closed layers only interact with specific layers. By separating each layer with interface, we can replace any layer without affecting other. Let's take a look at the actual structure of the layered architecture branch in the sample code. First, please check out the layered architecture branch from the GitHub URL in the description. The architecture consists of 4 closed layers: controller, use case, repository, and DB. Exceptions and dependency injection are accessed as open layers by each layer. The controller is responsible for returning appropriate responses based on requests. Use case is a layer that abstracts specific application logic into reusable units. Repository handles the manipulation of target data. DB is responsible for managing the database and performing data read and write operations. That concludes the explanation for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And then stay tuned for more content on introductory software architecture using Kotlin. Until then, happy coding.